Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? Today we are diving into CMC Markets. Known for its powerful platforms, wide range of instruments, and global reach, we'll explore everything you need to know, from its features and tools to the advantages it offers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. CMC Markets is a well-established and trusted online trading broker, with over 35 years of experience in the industry. Founded in 1989 and headquartered in London, it's a publicly listed company on the London Stock Exchange and serves over 1 million clients worldwide. CMC Markets offers a wide range of instruments, all accessible through their advanced trading platforms. Their proprietary next-generation platform, alongside MetaTrader 4 and 5, provides traders with powerful tools, customizable charts, and competitive spreads starting from as low as 0.0 pips. Known for its user-friendly interface and excellent customer support, CMC Markets is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The broker provides traders with access to a vast selection of over 12,000 financial instruments across multiple asset classes. This includes more than 330 Forex currency pairs, allowing traders to engage with the world's major and minor currencies. They also offer over 80 global indices, covering key markets such as the US, Europe, and Asia. Commodity traders can choose from over 100 products, including metals, energies, and agricultural products. For those interested in equities, CMC Markets features access to more than 9,000 shares and ETFs, with commission-free trading on many US and Canadian stocks. Additionally, the platform supports trading in 11 popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as a variety of treasury instruments, offering exposure to government bonds. All of these instruments are available through their advanced trading platforms, equipped with powerful tools and competitive pricing designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders alike. CMC Markets is committed to ensuring the security and protection of client funds through stringent compliance and security protocols. The company is authorized and regulated by top-tier financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, Australia's ASIC, Germany's BaFin, and Singapore's Monetary Authority. These regulations mandate that client funds can be held in segregated accounts, separate from the company's own assets, ensuring that client money is protected in the event of insolvency. Additionally, the broker implements robust cybersecurity measures such as two-factor authentication and SSL encryption to safeguard personal and financial data. By adhering to these rigorous standards, CMC Markets demonstrates its commitment to maintaining a secure and compliant trading environment for its clients. CMC Markets offers a variety of promotions designed to give traders extra value right from the start. In Singapore, new clients can benefit from a welcome bonus of up to $4,000 when they open a new account on either the MetaTrader 4 or Next Generation platform and meet certain trading volume requirements. This bonus helps traders boost their initial capital and explore the extensive range of instruments available. Additionally, CMC Markets runs a Refer a Friend program where you and your friend receive $150 each once your friend opens a new CFD trading account and completes the required trades. These promotions not only reward new clients, but also encourage community growth, making CMC Markets a more rewarding and engaging broker for both beginners and experienced traders alike. The broker offers a range of powerful trading platforms designed to cater to various trading styles and preferences. Their flagship platform, Next Generation, is an award-winning web-based interface that provides access to over 12,000 instruments. This platform boasts advanced charting capabilities with over 115 indicators and 70 chart patterns, allowing traders to perform in-depth technical analysis. It also features customizable layouts, automated pattern recognition, and seamless integration with TradingView for enhanced charting and analysis. For traders who prefer a more traditional approach, the MetaTrader platforms are available, offering a user-friendly interface with essential charting tools and the ability to automate trading strategies using expert advisors. While MetaTrader 4 supports a more limited selection of instruments compared to the next generation platform, it remains a popular choice for traders seeking a straightforward trading experience. The broker also provides a mobile trading application for both iOS and Android devices, ensuring that traders can manage their positions and access real-time market data on the go. Whether you're at home or on the move, their suite of trading platforms offer the flexibility and tools needed to execute your trading strategies effectively. Additionally, CMC Markets offers seamless integration with TradingView, providing traders with advanced charting capabilities and real-time market data. By connecting your CMC Markets account to TradingView, you can access over 400 technical indicators and thousands of community-built trading strategies, enhancing your analysis and decision-making process. This integration allows you to open, manage, and close trades directly within TradingView, benefiting from the broker's tight spreads and fast execution. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can use TradingView's intuitive interface, available on both desktop and mobile platforms. To get started, simply link your CMC Markets account to TradingView and unlock a world of advanced trading tools. CMC Markets offers two primary CFD account types to cater to different trading styles. The standard account provides access to over 12,000 instruments across various markets, including Forex, indices, commodities, and shares, with competitive spreads and no minimum deposit required. This account is suitable for traders seeking a straightforward trading experience with flexible options. The FX Active account is designed for high-volume traders, offering tighter spreads starting from 0.0 pips on 6 major Forex pairs, along with a commission-based pricing structure. This account type is ideal for those who trade frequently and require more precise pricing. Both account types are available on the CMC Markets platform and MetaTrader platforms, ensuring a seamless trading experience across different devices. The broker also offers a comprehensive demo account designed to help traders practice and refine their strategies without any financial risk. Upon registration, users receive $10,000 in virtual funds, providing ample opportunities to explore over 12,000 instruments. The demo account is accessible via the award-winning CMC Markets Next Generation platform or MetaTrader platforms, both equipped with advanced tools, real-time market data, and a range of order types. Traders can practice on desktop or mobile devices, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Additionally, the demo account has no expiration date, allowing users to practice at their own pace, and even after transitioning to a live account. This risk-free environment is ideal for both beginners looking to familiarize themselves with the platform and experienced traders testing new strategies. Creating an account with CMC Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, click on the Open Account button. The next step would be to choose your preferred trading platform and then submit your email address and create a password. You can either open a live account, or if you prefer to try the platform first, you can simply open a demo account. Submit your information and create your preferred trading account type. Please remember that if you are opening a live account, you will need to verify your personal information in order to begin trading. The next step after you have submitted and created your trading account type would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform, or you can simply use their web trader. In our case, we decided to go with the CMC Markets web trader. Download and install your preferred trading platform, or simply log in to their web trader. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the CMC Markets proprietary web trader. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. And at the top right of the chart, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational video tutorials over on the broker's educational panel to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a variety of secure and convenient methods to fund and withdraw from your trading account. You can deposit funds using credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or online banking services. Deposits are typically processed promptly, with credit card transactions often reflecting immediately, while bank transfers may take up to 3 business days. For withdrawals, you can request funds via the same methods, ensuring that they are returned to the original source. CMC Markets does not charge fees for deposits and withdrawals. However, your bank or card issuer may impose their own charges. Please note that third-party payments are not accepted, and all transactions must be made from accounts in your name. To initiate a transaction, simply log in to your account, navigate to the funding section, and select your preferred method. Or for more details, you can visit their official funding and withdrawal page. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of free educational tools designed to enhance traders' skills at all levels. Their Knowledge Hub provides access to platform guides, trading strategies, and articles covering various asset classes. Traders can also benefit from webinars and live events hosted by market analysts, offering insights into market trends and trading techniques. Additionally, the broker offers ebooks that delve into topics like economic data impact and trading strategies, providing in-depth knowledge to refine trading approaches. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the broker's educational resources are designed to support your trading journey. CMC Markets also provides a comprehensive suite of news and analysis tools to support traders in making informed decisions. Their platform offers real-time market updates, including economic data releases, corporate earning reports, and geopolitical developments. Traders can access expert commentary and insights from a team of global market analysts covering key markets such as the UK, Europe, North America, and Asia. Additionally, the broker features a weekly outlook highlighting significant events and economic indicators that may impact the markets. This wealth of information is readily available on their news and analysis page, ensuring that traders are well equipped to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. Over the years of service, CMC Markets has garnered over 50 prestigious awards worldwide in the past 2 years, underscoring its commitment to delivering exceptional trading experiences. Notably, in 2025, the company was honored with the #1 most currency pairs and the best mobile trading platform accolades from forexbrokers.com and ADVFN International Financial Awards, respectively. These recognitions highlight the broker's dedication to providing a diverse range of trading instruments and a user-friendly mobile platform. The firm also received the Best CFD Education Tools Award in 2025, reflecting its commitment to empowering traders with comprehensive educational resources. Such accolades affirms the broker's position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. Overall, CMC Markets stands out as a premier online trading platform, providing a comprehensive suite of features tailored to both novice and seasoned traders. With over 30 years of industry experience, the platform provides access to over 12,000 instruments, including Forex, CFDs, indices, commodities, and shares. Traders benefit from award-winning platforms like the Next Generation Trading Platform and MetaTrader platforms, renowned for their advanced charting tools and user-friendly interfaces. Security and compliance are paramount at CMC Markets, with the company adhering to stringent regulatory standards across various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe trading environment. Educational resources, including webinars, ebooks, and market analysis, are readily available to empower traders with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. Their commitment to education and ongoing market analysis equips traders with the tools needed to succeed. Plus, with a range of account types and user-friendly mobile access, the broker makes trading accessible wherever you are. If you're looking for a trusted broker with a proven track record, CMC Markets is definitely worth considering. Whether you're looking to trade on desktop or mobile, the broker offers a seamless and robust trading experience. And that is our overview of CMC Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.